Hello everyone, welcome to Abipravi. In this video, I'm here to teach you how to create a zip files in Python. Before getting into the video, please subscribe our channel. Import the file zip module. So there are two methods to create the zip file in this program. So I'm just going to tell the first method and the output, and second method and the output of the program. Create a zip file variable called zip creation, and in it we're just going to write use the zip file object. In zip file object we are just using the zip file class, and in it we're just going to use the name of the zip file as to be created. I'm just using zip created, and the mode is to be the file is opened. I'm just writing it write mode. After that I'm just going to use the zip creation is creation dot write. So this is going to be the write mode. The file is to be written in it, so the external file is to be written it, so we are just using write and parentheses, and within quotes the file has to be zipped. I'm just writing the file name as ps.py. Save the file and run the program. So now the program has been run without errors. So let us see the output. Been created successfully, but it is not in the type of zip file format, so I'm just going to delete the zip file here. Okay, I'm deleting the file permanently. And here I just forgot to type the specific into get input of specification as .zip, so I'm just giving input type of zip, and the program has been executed. Now I'm opening the file. Now you can able to see that the ps.py file has been added to the zip successfully without any errors. So I'm just deleting the zip file created to show the another method. Okay, let us use another method to create a zip file. Okay, so here the compression type has to be included, so with zip file dot zip file, and the file name of the zip file has to be created. Here I am just creating a zip created dot zip, and the write mode as write, and the compression type as zip deflated. Compression is equal to zip deflated. As zip creation and colon, and I'm just going to create a zip creation dot write. The file name is ps.py, typing here, and I'm just going to add 3 files to be written in zip, and another one is zip.ppt, and I'm just going to use the Go language file, which is in the top of the desktop. I'm just including these two, and one 3 and file Go file, which is file.go, zip creation dot write. Quotes file.go. The extension as necessary. Running the file it throws an error. Zip deflated is not defined, so we're just going to write a zip file, isn't it? So for that we just needed to use the zip.zip deflated. So I'm closing the zip.zip deflated. I'm just trying that the zip.zip deflated file. Save the file and run the program again. again it throws an error. So the zip is not an attribute. So okay, zip is not an attribute, we have only imported the zip file as an attribute, so I'm just using zip file. Save the program and run it. Now the file has been created without any of the errors. I'm just opening the file. The 3 file has been added successfully. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts about the zip file creation, please comment, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe.